Happymailqueen. So I have a couple more project shares to do to show you guys before I send out my outgoing birthday mail. And I did say I had a couple of things that I was still working on, so let me go ahead and share that with you guys. So I wanted to give my friend a lollipop, and I have these C's Butterscotch Lollipops, and this die right here, I had shared this with you guys on my last video, and it's the Lollipop Holder by KS Craft. It's this one right here. So I wanted to try it out and see how it would look, and this is how it looks. Now, of course, you can put the stick, I guess, upside down, you know, going up this way if you wanted to, but I think it was designed for it to be this way. And yeah, I think it's really cute, and it was really simple and easy to put together. This little banner right here, that is from the Michaels, the Paige Evans, this one right here, the Explosion Box collection, I guess, or line. And so that's one project. And then since the Sweet Story by Maggie Holmes, she does have bubblegum machine. Of course, I had to make one more of these. These are so cute, and I love making them. And so I went ahead and used my file to cut the bottom part, and then also use these. I had to actually buy some more of these because I put all my Christmas stuff away and my Valentine stuff, and I don't know where all of these went. These clear plastic ornaments. I get them from Amazon. So anyway, I had to repurchase it. Oh my gosh. So I had to, yeah, I couldn't find it. So anyway, I think it came out so cute, and I just put some trim and a little bling on the top, which is from Michaels. It's the same way I created the other ones, and I put a Brad here. The other ones that I've shared with you guys. So yes, I had to, of course, give her those little sweet treats. And then I did find my resin. I had put all my resin away because I was cleaning up. And but anyway, I finally made some more of these, and so these ones aren't gummy like the first ones I made, and so I did make a nice little charm for my friend. So I used just a lot of the beads. I think these are BB Craft beads, or I can't remember if they're BB Craft or if they're from Amazon, but anyway, the little tiny beads right here, these are the clay beads from Michaels. And then those are the Heishi beads that I recently hauled from Amazon. And then this tassel, I just wanted to add a tassel on there. And that's a separate chain as this one. And then here's that roller skates charm. And then I have this, what is this? Hot air balloon charm from... actually got that one from Frank Garcia Studio. So then she gets that little dangle or keychain, if you will. And then the last thing I made is, I said on my last video I was gonna put a dangle on my album, so I did, just using these beaded or ball chain from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And so I did, and here are all the charms. I just did some beads, and then cupcake charm, and this, that's also from Frank Garcia Studio, and then some of the other fruit beads that not fruit beads, fruit charms that I had gotten from Amazon recently. And yeah, I just put them on jump rings, and I did use the looper, you guys. I'm still on the, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep the looper. I'm just finding that it's just not making the loop is not close enough to the bead when you you do the end. This one right here. So I do like that it cuts it and it loops it for you in one step. However, it's not tight. See, it's a little bit loose. I don't know. I like them tight on there. It's just my preference. So I don't know, you guys. I'm still debating whether this is going to be really useful, if it's something that I'm really going to use often, because I can make loops like so easily. You know, I feel like I'm faster at making the loops with this. The only difference is that with this one, I can make my loops consistently at 1.5 millimeter. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I mean, I know some of you guys love this tool. I wanted to love it, but I just don't know if it's really going to work for me. So anyway, yeah, that is my share for today, and stay tuned. I do have a haul video, just a small haul from Frank Garcia Studio, from Joanne Fabrics, and I'll be back with that on a separate video. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.